Miele cooktop. Customer, or I guess the issue here is just the user interface panel went inside. I'll be opening it up and doing some diagnostics, see if we can fix it. So it looks like the mounting plastics on the side here are have snapped off. So got some new ones here from Miele, which we'll be installing, and then that should be good to go. Great, so the new mounting clips are installed, and those are the broken ones. Oh, and then there looks like there's a piece of it stuck in there. Right, so the parts are put in. We can lights are good. Very good.